Welcome to our video on the future of academic internships. Today we will explore why academic internships are becoming crucial for students, especially in India, and how they are shaping the future of education and career opportunities. What exactly are academic internships? Academic internships are structured programs where students apply their classroom knowledge in real-world settings, usually within a company or an organization. In the Indian context, students from prestigious institutes like NITs and NIITs often have access to internships organized by their colleges. However, not every student in India is privileged enough to have these opportunities. A growing trend is students from one university seeking internships at another university or organization. But what is the value of this? When students explore internships outside their college environment, they are exposed to new resources, fresh perspectives, and cutting-edge research. This experience not only expands their knowledge, but also helps them build a diverse professional network. However, not all internships are created equal. Some organizations, in collaboration with universities, offer internships or even degrees without properly evaluating if these internships provide students with valuable, hands-on experience. This raises concerns about the quality of education students are receiving in such programs. Academic labs give students the foundation, but real-world hands-on training is what sets them apart when they enter the job market. The skills learned in a professional workplace, problem-solving, communication, and project management, cannot always be replicated in the lab. This is why students must think beyond classroom knowledge and embrace internships as a stepping stone to their future careers. With the rise of the global job market, internships have become more competitive. Students need to think strategically about choosing internships that provide the best learning opportunities and align with their career goals. This competitiveness isn't just about landing an internship, it's about choosing the right one that prepares students for the future.